My name is Chris Dancy, and I am the founder and creator of TFT. TFT was a very simple idea to create a platform for content creators and content consumers to quickly and easily share information. Watching a global community was really interesting over the last 5 years. The hyper-connected nature of our phones and our devices allowed people to interact with everybody. This new space was important, and it was important for me to introduce a new paradigm. TFT's mission is to create the most cutting-edge content available to the consumer as it happens. This is unique, and this was what makes TFT's value proposition to not only consumers and creators, but to the larger community, unstoppable. Speakers for TFT are chosen in a very unique way. TFT speakers put their submissions online, and then their peers, their friends, even their grandma can vote for them. I think in many ways it was disruptive to a point that won't be realized for many years. We took the middleman out of the process of sharing content. This is unprecedented. 24 speakers in 24 time zones following the sun. Something that hasn't been done and something that we'll continue to do and disrupt the industry. We have to actually consider what it means to be a content consumer. To me, TFT content needs to be available on a mobile platform. So we introduced the concept of knowledge lockering. Knowledge lockering meant that TFT content could be proactively pushed to Kindle devices or anyone with Evernote. For audio, we have iTunes and SoundCloud. For video, we use YouTube and Vimeo. And then we also put all of this content together wrapped around the slides themselves or the presentations themselves on SlideShare. So we have a broad range of content accessible to anyone at any time. TFT 12 was absolutely remarkable. To me, it was an industry-defining moment that probably won't be measured for a few years. Unlike a physical conference where you sit quietly or you take notes or you share things in tweets, people were interacting around the content real time. The content was living, but more importantly, the content to this day is still being interacted with, is still being commented on, and is still a body of work that represents not only the creator, but the community's reaction to it. So TFT 13 is going to take the same tenets we had with TFT 12 and embody them in a much tighter, slicker package. Additionally, we're blending the physical conference world with the virtual conference world. For the first time, TFT 13 will dip out of the virtual world, come into London at the SDI Dream Conference in 2013, and physically leave that conference and join back up with the virtual world. This is unprecedented, and this will create the bridge we need moving forward. Speaking at TFT can change your life. To go from someone who casually shares something on Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, to actually having a global stage. The power of TFT is everyday people being involved. For years, we've struggled with getting practitioners involved in the global conversation. TFT creates a bridge, an opportunity for every content creator to have their message heard. If you're a first-time speaker, the opportunity and window for you to create a name for yourself has never been greater. I believe very deeply in the power of this connected community, global and unstoppable. I look forward to seeing you at TFT 13.